Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a turkey. Here's the turkey, and in that turkey we'll be using carrots, celery, onions, my own seasoning, salt, squeezed butter, and we're gonna inject it with this Cajun butter. And if you'd like to see the full video, please stick around. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, and make sure you hit the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when we upload a video.
Alright guys, we are back and today we are making the Butcher Box turkey. The turkey is an all-natural young turkey. It is from 10 to 14 pounds, all natural, no basing ingredients, no artificial ingredients, minimal processing, range-free, no preservative, no antibiotics ever, high-quality meat, keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, and whole-30 friendly. Alright you guys, here's a close-up of the turkey, and this is how you will receive it. Everything will be frozen, and you receive everything on dry ice, and that's all of the products. And they do have their label. That's all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservative, raised without antibiotics, and complete traceability to farm. We actually had this in a refrigerator for 2 days to defrost. And today we will be doing a turkey salad, but instead of broiling the turkey, we are going to bake the turkey. So you're going to see bits and pieces of how Jordan is going to cook it. The full cooking video will be on Cooking with the Crew. I will leave that link in the description box below if you're interested in that full video of how he will be making it for Thanksgiving. And so we're going to go ahead on and just jump into it.
Okay, family, the crew, Alicia Southern crew, and Cooking with the Crew, we all went together, so we're gonna call y'all the crew. And we have a turkey here from Butcher Box, and the turkey is 10 to 14 pounds. And I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on the weight, the serving, and the cooking time. And you wanna cook your turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 minutes per pound. And for a 10 to 12 pound turkey that serves 6 to 8 people, you want to cook it 2 hours and 15 minutes to 2 hours and 45 minutes. A 12 to 14 pound turkey that serves 8 to 10 people, you want to cook 2 hours and 45 minutes to 3 hours. A 15 pound to 18 pound turkey that serves 10 to 12 people, you want to cook it for 3 hours and 15 minutes to 4 hours. A 18 pound turkey to 20 pound turkey that serves 12 to 14 people, you want to cook it for 4 hours to 4 hours and 15 minutes. And a 20 pound turkey to 22 pound turkey that serves 14 to 16 people, you want to cook at for 4 hours and 15 minutes to 4 hours and 45 minutes. And if your turkey is between 23 pounds or bigger, that serves 16 people to 20 people, and you're going to cook that for 5 hours to 5 hours and 15 minutes cook time. And once again, you'll cook it at 350 degrees, 13 minutes per pound. And I will also display the weight, the serving, and the cook time in this video right after this clip. Okay, family, we have the turkey here, and we're going to use the Cajun butter. And we're going to start at the breastplate. centerpiece, the breastplate, and the legs. We're not gonna do the wings because it's pretty much gonna squirt out, kind of, because it's like a thinner cut of meat on the wing. So what we're gonna do from here is I'm gonna start stuffing the turkey with the carrots, the apples, the celery, and the onions. Okay, we have the turkey stuff. Now we're gonna use squeezable butter, and we're gonna put all over the turkey, and we're gonna season it. We're not gonna season the bottom side because of once it starts cooking, the liquid will pretty much pull off the seasoning. But we did pat the turkey dry. We patted the turkey dry. So we're about to start on that. Okay, family. Now we're gonna take some Parkay squeezable butter. We're just gonna use salt. And my seasoning that I made. put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 3 hours, and we'll bring you guys back. Family, if you would like a free turkey, please go to Alicia Southern Crew on her turkey video and click the link in the description box and sign up with Butcher Box, and you will get a free turkey with your package. What's up, crew? Hope you've been enjoying this turkey video. The turkey turned out amazing. The family enjoyed it. We got a remix video of what we did with the turkey. And as you will see in the next clip, the turkey turned out juicy. I will be showing y'all the breast. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we out. Peace. Guys, I'm going to show y'all how juicy this is. And this breast, I had to take the gloves off because I ain't want to cut myself. And look at all that juice that's going down my hand. Look at that. Now that's how you do a turkey.